Easy vanilla bean panna cotta. Easy, rich, and creamy Italian panna cotta. Incredibly easy to make at home. Vanilla-flavored quick dessert with delicate texture is light and healthy. It includes very few ingredients, so let's cook it together. This recipe makes 8 servings. In a medium saucepan, combine the 1 liter of heavy cream. I use 35%. 250 milligrams of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Bring the mixture just to a simmer and warm gently for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and let steep for 10 to 15 minutes. In 50 milliliters of water, sprinkle 2½ teaspoons of unflavored gelatin. Mix well. Stir cream mixture through the gelatin mixture until dissolved and heat in a few minutes again. Remove from the heat and let cool to room temperature. Meanwhile, take 100 grams butter cookies and crush them. Take 200 grams of fresh strawberry for sauce. You can add sugar to make it sweeter. Divide crushed cookies and strawberry sauce evenly. Pour cream into individual serving dishes or any you have. Refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours or until completely set. You can top the panna cotta with fresh berries and berry sauce, caramel sauce, and chocolate. Your family will love this classic, creamy Italian panna cotta. Watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more easy, delicious ideas.